G'day everyone, welcome to Mudabung Aussie. Well, today, since it's coming out to Christmas, I thought I'd make a nice simple Christmas treat, good old shortbread. It's a quick, easy step, and it takes 5 minutes to prepare and then cook. Very quick, very simple, and absolutely moreish to eat. Now let's go by the step-by-step process of Christmas shortbread. G'day everyone, welcome back. Now wasn't that nice and simple to make? You can see the end product here. I've done it in the star shape, but you can do get some Christmas cooker cutters and make Christmas trees, candy shapes, anything you wish to do. It's very simple, only a few ingredients like plain flour, rice flour, butter, sugar. That's it. So here we go, here they are. Don't they look delicious? Now for the taste test. Very rich with the butter, as you expect. There's a fair bit of butter. It's not overly sweet, and it's crumbly like shortbread should be. I said, very easy to make, doesn't take long to do. If you've got kids, they can make this simply as well. So there it is. Easy treat for Christmas. Hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, press the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment below. And thank you very much. We'll see you for the next video.